Hi knitters, I'm here today. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on the Mini-Bobble that's used in our new pattern called Hen of the Woods. We've got this fantastic mitten pattern out with these fun mini bobbles, and they're mini because they're not like doing a full bobble, and they're actually quite simple to do. I'm using our limited edition of Hen of the Woods, limited edition 100% American wool. It's a really lofty, fun wool that we received a bunch of cones of, so we're doing a fun exclusive mitten kit with that. So here's what you do. For the pattern, you'll be working in the round, of course, because you're knitting mittens. I'm going to pull out a bit of yarn here for me to work with. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to knit in the front, and then you're going to knit in the back, and then you're going to knit in the front again of the same stitch. So now I have 3 stitches, and you're going to go ahead and take that off the needle. I've got 3 stitches over here on my right needle. I'm going to take the second stitch and pass it over and off, over the first stitch and off the right needle. The second stitch, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to pass it over and off the right needle. I'm going to bring the yarn to the front. Go ahead and pass that stitch back to the left, and then you're going to kind of bring that yarn under the bobble and to the back again, and then you go ahead and bring that back to the left needle, and that's your bobble. And that wrapping it kind of makes it stand out a little bit better. So when you get past, it looks like this. So there's not all of the turning back and forth that you do with the traditional bobble. So let's do it again here. So I'm going to knit in the front, the back, and the front again. Take the second and third stitches and pass them over and off on that right hand needle. Bring the yarn to the front, pass the stitch back to the left, the bobble stitch. Kind of wrap the yarn under and to the back, and then just pass that stitch back again to the left hand needle. And I've already made 2 of those bobbles. So that's all it is, and you're just kind of repeating that as you work your way up the mitten. I hope that helps.